guys, right now we are on the way to go to Kinderdijk. As we have read in the rules that actually we are not allowed to fly our drone there, but because we are curious, as in Netherlands say ik ben benieuwd, because I never visit the Kinderdijk, so today we're gonna check it out, the place. So guys, we are almost arrived in the Kinderdijk, and right now we are still looking for the parking place. Let me flip my camera and you can check how busy the road it is. It's everywhere car and it's quite fast traffic also.
No, it's nothing. Just...
Hello guys, so finally we arrived in the Kinderdijk. As you can see behind me, there's a traditional windmill. Unfortunately, as I said in the beginning, that we couldn't fly our drone here because it's a World Heritage. So I was just checking the website that it says that I being caught here gonna fly my drone. I'm gonna get fined for 410 euros. So it's really not worth it to take a risk. So I'm gonna make the ground footage, so at least I want to make out of it, so at least you guys can enjoy this beautiful place. So right now I'm standing somewhere at a pier. So actually in a normal days we can go through the canal, I think. So we can go through the canal, but right now because of this you guys know this issue, so it's temporarily closed. And this is my first time here, so I've been here living in Netherlands for about 1.5 years. I just cannot imagine myself. I'm standing in this place. Well, I can see with my background I'm from a small village somewhere in Bali, which is, I think if you try to find it in the Google map, you don't even find it where is my village. So from I was kids, I always dream and I want to go around the world. Well, I know I couldn't make it yet, but I think soon. But this place is really interesting and it's amazing. It's a formation of the water and the land, and then with the windmill and especially I was checking the age of the windmill. It's from 1738, so it's really old, and it's really interesting how they preserve the historic behind it. The windmill is moving slowly. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Yeah, finally it's time to end our journey in the Kinderdijk. So I hope you enjoy my footage. Yeah, unfortunately I cannot fly my drone, but I hope what we have shown will be entertain you guys. So if you don't subscribe yet to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you can see our next drone adventure. And yeah,
And mine.
yeah, okay, bye bye, see you on my next video.